and answer. Both you can see on your.
Ma'am, I read.
Yes, continue.
Answer the following
Just
question
a
one.
minute. Anyone who want to read, write in comments only.
I
Yes,
read
continue.
Chandu.
Continue better.
Is the special Ola
Olympic,
Olympic
Olympics
Olympics conducted
conducted, conducted.
conducted. The Special Olympics is conducted for the by
Physically,
physically or mentally
mentally.
disabled person.
Very good. Yes. First
Can I
question was
read?
no, no, no. First question was from where is the Olympic? Sorry, from whom is the Olympic conducted? Olympic કોના માટે આયોજન થયું? The Olympic was is conducted for physically or mentally શારીરિક અથવા તો માનસિક disabled
Physically.
persons. Now, second question. Switch off mic, everyone. Mehta Tirth. Did
Yes,
question
teacher.
and answer. Second question and answer.
How many children
Assembled.
assembled for the 100-yard race?
Yard. Race. Very good.
Yard.
Answer.
Nice children assembled for the 100-yard race.
Yes. How many children were assembled? We need to give total number of the participants. In that 100-yard race, 9 children means 9 children were there to participate in that race. Next question. Who's the react? Tesvi or Kasvi? What's the name?
Kasvi.
Yes, continue
Yes,
better.
continue better. Okay, sir. Number 3. Who fell down and began to cry? Answer. A small boy tried his best to move faster, but he could not. Finally, he fell down and began to cry.
Yes, as we have discussed in the chapter or story, a boy, small boy, was fallen down and began to cry. Here, a small boy tried his best as they were in race. All the children tried their best. Similarly, small boy also tried his best to move faster, but during the try, he was fell down, and so that he began to cry. Somani, are you see? Continue with a question and then ask answer. I cannot listen your voice. Manage your mic.
Yes, sir.
Somani, are you see? What question and answer? Okay.
Sir, she's
Read better.
microphone is on.
Kotaria Rudra.
Yes.
Read better.
Who fell down and
Better. What
began
mic?
to cry? A
What
small
mic?
boy. Answer. A small boy tried his best to move faster, but he could not. Finally, he fell down and began to cry. What did Number 4. What did the other friends do when the little boy fell down during the 100-yard race? Answer. When the title boy fell down, the other friends stopped running. Then they started walking back and helped him.
Yes. What did the other friends do? As we know, there were 9 children, all of them mentally and physically disabled. But during the race, one boy fell down. What did other children or his friends do? When the little boy fell down, means a boy when he was falling down. Other friends means other participants stopped the race, came to him and helped him. Very good. Amipara Dhruvi.
Yes, sir.
Question number 5 with answer.
Yes. How did the girl help to the little boy? The little girl who was mentally delayed,
Disabled.
bent, disabled, bent down, help him to get up and kiss him and said, "This will make you feel better."
Very good. How did the girl help the little boy? As we know, a small boy
Yes,
was
sir.
fallen down and saw that he was crying. His friends came to him and helped him. Among them, there was a little girl. She was mentally disabled. She came to him, bent down, and helped him to walk up as well as kissed him and said, "This will make you feel better." Very good. Question number 6. Jogani Prachi.
Yes,
Continue, beta.
sir, I can read.
No, only those.
Who won the 100 race? Who won the 100-yard race in the Special Olympics? How? The little girl who was mentally disabled.
Beta, you are reading question number 6 and answer number 5th. Why? 6th question and 6th answer, not 5th answer. Continue.
A nice, a nine, all 9 children won the race in the Special Olympics. They linked their arms and walked together to fit the finishing line, and hence they all won the race together.
Yes. Who won the 100-yard race? As we know, it was a race of 100 yards in Olympics for physical or mentally disabled children.
Teacher, I
Now,
read.
there were 9 students. Who won the match or who won the race? As we know, after the boy falling down, all children came to him, helped him, they linked their hand and walked together to the finish line. And so that all of them crossed the finish line together. Thus, all 9 children won the race. Very good. Parek Shreyansi.
Yes, sir.
This 7th question and answer.
Why don't we help others during a competition? Answer: we don't help others because we try to reach the finishing line. We want to get the first position.
Yes. Why don't we help others during competition when actually we are in the competition? And if we found someone injured or fallen down, at that time we continue our race. We don't help him. Why? Because we want to reach finish line first. We want to get first rank. We want to be winner. And that is why we don't help others during the competition. Very good. Now fill in the blanks. Switch off mic. Whose mic is on? Madhu Ridhiben.
Yes, sir.
Read first blank.
So the children were
Yes, continue. Physically
and mentally disabled. Their hearts were full of
sympathy,
sympathy
sympathy.
and love for each other.
Very good. Though
Number 2.
the children. Okay, continue.
A selfish person will not be loved by others.
Very good. A selfish person will not be loved by others. These were
Sir, please, I am read.
I can read, sir, please.
Sir, I am read, please. Sir, I can read, please.
I
I
can
can